Dear traders, in this video we are going to talk about the forecast of the major forex currency pairs including gold, and then we will talk about US 30, US 100, NAS and SP 500, right? Okay, so let's get started with your USDCHF. Okay guys, first of all, please note that I only myself trade those signals which are good near me. I will tell you the possibilities of the market. If any chart will be unclear to me, then I will skip that chart and I will tell you. So it's possible that I will be skipping any pair which will be not coming into my mind, right? Okay, so before I start this video properly, then guys, if you have not subscribed FX Mentor till now, then please subscribe it, because from tomorrow on the daily basis we will be coming up with the forex and the crypto daily forecast, and there will be a special video for the crypto traders as well. Okay guys, so first of all, look at USDCHF. Okay, if we talk about the trend, then guys, you can completely see that we are into the upward trend. However, I have checked the chart on the higher time frames, so it looks like to me that for some period of time that the market should go down, because it has already get a very good access into the market, and we are coming with these some resistance levels at the top. So instead of buying this pair, if your Heikin-Ashi candles are turned into Heikin-Ashi, if you are not using the simple candles, and if you see a clear bearish structure from the top, then the market can go down, and I'm expecting the market to drop up to 0.98207. However, I'm not saying that this will continue to be bearish from that momentum, so it can be a short bearish momentum. So this could be possible tonight, this could be possible at the day tomorrow. Now let's talk about gold at the moment. This is the 1 hour chart, and right now I have opened the 1 hour charts of all time frames. Okay guys, looks like to me that gold has break the structure from my end, so it looks like that 70% there are chances for the gold to go down, because we do not have any good support from here, and there are only 30% chances that the gold can go upward. But however, I will stay bearish on gold from this level, and at least I'm looking for the market to test 18 level from this level, and if the pressure will be more good, then it can reach up to 1810 levels as well. So I'm completely bearish on gold structure right now, right? Okay, let's have a look on Euro USD. Okay guys, so if we talk about the momentum of the market, then look at here. It's very clear that the market is at the ranging pattern right now. But if you ask me any signal from my side, so guys, I will stay bullish, and if it will go bullish, then it is again going to retest the level that is 1.06433. so I will stay bullish on Euro USD. Let's have a look on USDJPY. So guys, please bear this. Let me give some time for the chart to get load properly, because you know that sometimes trading view gets stuck as well. Okay, so let us try to open another chart. Okay, so guys, just wait please. Sorry for the trouble, because it just come up here. Okay, we are trying again. So let's see, maybe I'm going to refresh my chart from here so that I can see. Maybe it will need to be reload at the moment. So guys, please have some patience. Sorry for the trouble. Okay, so let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I'm back here. So let me delete the indicators, because I'm giving the signals based on the price action and not the indicators. Okay, right. Okay guys, we are on to USDJPY chart. So guys, if we look at here, if we make the proper trend line, looks like that the market is making the upward momentum. So if you ask me from here, that I think the market has reached to a level again from it can bounce back, and maybe it's going to test the 131 level, or maybe possibly 130.928 somewhere. So I will stay bullish on USDJPY, right? Okay, so meanwhile I'm also deleting these all lines, so that for the next video that should not be a problem. Okay, so again we are stuck. Okay, so USDCAD. So guys, let me have a look, because you can see the price is at the top. So let me have a look on the 1 day chart. So how it looks like to me. Okay, so guys, if we talk about here, I'm coming back to the 1 hour chart again. So on USDCAD, my preference is not to take any kind of buy positions. Instead, when you see a bearish pressure, then the market can come down and it can be into 1.29 levels. So I will stay bearish on USDCAD. Great Britain Pound JPY, let's have a look. Okay, Great Britain Pound JPY. If you ask about my signal, so it is at a good spot right now. So it can pump up back and maybe it's going to test 161.500, or if the break can be more good, then it is going to test 162 levels with no problem, right? Okay, so let me delete this one as well. Okay, at next we have AUDJPY. Okay guys, so AUDJPY condition is quite interesting, but I just want to have a look on the daily candle so that it should be little bit clear to me. Okay, yes guys, coming back to the 1 hour. So guys, if you ask me about my signal on AUDJPY, then it looks, guys, bearish to me because it is still in, sorry, it's kind of a bullish from me. So no, I'm bearish as I have told you, so I'm putting the arrow down. So maybe guys, the price will stand at 89.000 levels, so please note down that signal as well. Okay guys, the forecast means that nothing is 100% into the forex market, but being a senior traders, we always try our best to predict the market as much good as we can, so that it can help our newbie traders. Okay guys, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD, because guys, I'm analyzing the charts based on the price action, whatever knowledge I have regarding the price action. So I'm going to talk about this. So if you ask about Great Britain Pound USD, then guys, I'm staying bearish and the market can went into the 1.21500 levels. So this is another signal from my side. So right now the charts are very clear. Okay, so EURJPY. So EURJPY is it's very interesting, but overall you can see a clear ranging pattern. Let me have a look if I can judge anything on the daily chart. Okay, so guys, this is really not clear to me because I don't want to throw any signal which is not clear to me. So let's have a look on AUDUSD. Okay, AUDUSD. Okay, so let me see the previous. Let me have a look on the daily candle. Okay, so we are into the daily candle, and let me delete this one. Okay guys, okay, so guys, overall technically this is kind of a mixed signal. I mean, not very much clear, but overall this is not, I mean, very unpredictable at the moment. So if you ask me about my signal for the short term, I am looking AUDUSD to make some recovery, so it can come up to 0.71 levels or 0.72 levels. This is, I mean, this is not a very much clear picture, but overall it's a good picture of the market. You can say that that's a normal picture by which I can understand. So NZDUSD. Okay, NZDUSD. So guys, looking things to be bearish again. So I mean, it's not wise to buy this at this level. So NZDUSD, I'm coming up with the bearish signs. So again, I think my MetaTrader gets stuck. Sorry, not a MetaTrader, TradingView gets stuck. Sorry, I think we need to refresh it again. So guys, we are having some issues into the TradingView, you know that sometimes it gets stuck, so that's the issue. So let it reload again, please have some patience, and then we will again talk about the market. Okay, let me come back to 1 hour and let me come back to NZDUSD. Okay, so guys, I was talking about my NZDUSD signal, so I will stay bearish again, and not a very big bearish, but the market can go and test 0.62 and 000 levels, right? Okay guys, you can see that I have not talked about the slow pairs like AUDCHF, AUDCAD, so later on we will discuss about it. So meanwhile, I'm going to the US 500. So let's have a look how US 500 stands. Okay, so this is the picture on the 1 hour. Just me have a look. So guys, please have some patience because it takes some time to analyze the market. So going to the daily candle. Okay, so US 500 daily candle. Oh, so guys, it looks like very clear to me that it's still under pressure, and we should look for some bearish opportunities, and the market can test 3811.8, right? US 500 3811.8. Now let's talk about US 100, right? Okay, US 100, let me have a look. Anything we are going to see on 1 hour? No, basically they are big downs. So let me see on the daily that either there is any good signs to go. Yes guys, yes, let me have a look. Okay, so guys, if we talk about US 100, okay, so it is at the area where we should not buy, we should not sell this one, right? So if you ask me what I prefer to trade, I will go for the bullish trend, and if you will be lucky enough, then the market will be staying at 12800. So I will be bullish on US 100, right? Now let's talk about US 30. Okay, any confirmations from the past? Okay, so things look like to be not good, but US 30, so let me, okay guys, that's also very much clear. Okay, so if we talk about US 30, so guys, I will stay my signal with the bullish upward trend, and if the you will find it bullish, then guys, the market can test 33200. Okay, so NAS 100, if we talk about NAS 100, so let me zoom out my chart first so that I can talk about the price action. Okay, not a good signs on the 1 hour. Okay, if we go to the 1 day, okay guys, so things are looking again, I mean, a bit deceptive. I mean, it's not easy to predict. However, as per my knowledge and experience, I'm going to be bullish with NAS 100, and if you will be lucky enough, then it will be going to touch 12500 as well, and maybe it can throw itself to 126 levels as well. And at last, we are going to talk about SP 500. Let's have a look on any. Okay, no, there are no good signs on 1 hour, because 1 hour is not enough, because also the daily candle is very important to me. Okay guys, so if we talk about the SP 500, then coming back to the 1 hour time frame, so guys, I will stay with the decision to be bearish, and if it can be bearish, then I'm just giving a scalping chance that it can go up to 3800 levels, right? So guys, I have provided the analysis and the forecast from my side. The things that look near to me, I have provided you with my forecast. And guys, there will be a separate video for the crypto price prediction as well. So guys, please tell me your thoughts, that how you stand with this analysis, and what are your thoughts on any pair that I have explained. So if you have a different thought, you can explain, and explain with reasons that you can say that I'm bearish, bullish, so whatever, you can comment, and you're open to discussion into the comment box, and everyone will be appreciated. So guys, please make sure that you should subscribe the FX Mentor YouTube channel, so that we will be providing a lot of knowledge to our newbie traders. And guys, please share this analysis with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.